Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Valerie Cinco, and I'm going to make Cuba Libre and screwdriver. So the ingredients of Cuba Libre is 12 cl cola, 5 cl rum, 1 cl fresh orange juice, and garnish with lime. And the method is mixing. The ingredients of screwdriver is 10 cl orange juice, 5 cl vodka, and garnish with orange. The method is build.
It's another fiery afternoon, hotter than the month of June. So we should go beach now. Cool down where the water's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hail it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Yeah. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Yeah. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so bluer than the clearest sky. And the waves are fire and getting higher and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt the sun's hotter than ever before. So let's ride, surfing right some more. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I